Hey everyone! Do you feel stuck in your English learning journey? You understand everything, but when you try to speak, the words just don't come out right. What if I told you there's a simple 10-minute daily routine that can change everything? Forget those long, boring study sessions. Today, I'm going to share a powerful method that will help you speak English fluently and confidently. And it only takes 10 minutes a day. First, let's understand why this works. Your brain learns best with short, consistent practice, not long, infrequent cram sessions. Think of it like watering a plant. A little bit of water every day helps it grow strong. Drowning it once a week just doesn't work. Daily exposure keeps your brain in English mode, making it easier to recall words and speak naturally. This method trains your mouth and your brain at the same time, turning passive knowledge into active speaking skills. Ready for the routine? It's 5 simple steps, 2 minutes each. Step 1. Listen. For 2 minutes, listen to a short piece of English audio. It could be a podcast, a news clip, or even a scene from your favorite TV show. Just listen carefully to the rhythm, intonation, and flow of the language. Step 2. Speak out loud. Now for the next 2 minutes, mimic what you just heard. Repeat the sentences, copy the pronunciation, and try to match the speaker's tone. Don't worry about being perfect. Speaking is a physical skill like playing a sport. You need to train your mouth muscles. This step builds that crucial muscle memory. Step 3. Personalize. Take a phrase or a sentence you heard and make it your own. For example, if you heard "the weather is lovely today," you could change it to "the coffee is lovely this morning," or "my new project is lovely." Connect the new language to your own life. This creates strong mental links and helps you remember and use the phrases in real conversations. Step 4. Free speak. For the next 2 minutes, talk about anything you want. Describe your day, your plans for the weekend, or your opinion on the audio you heard. The goal is to speak continuously without stopping to correct yourself. This trains your brain to think and speak in English at the same time, which is the key to fluency. Step 5. Reflect. In the final 2 minutes, think about your practice. What was easy? What was difficult? Did you learn a new word or phrase? You can even write down 1 or 2 sentences. This quick review helps solidify what you've learned and identifies areas to focus on next time. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. The biggest one, skipping practice. It's so easy to say, "I'll do it tomorrow," but even on busy days, try to do just 2 minutes of listening or speaking. Maintaining the daily habit is more important than the duration. Another mistake is waiting for perfection. Many learners are afraid to speak until their grammar is flawless. Please don't wait. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Embrace your mistakes as part of the learning process. Lastly, avoid practicing without emotion. If you're just mechanically repeating words, they won't stick. Choose topics you're genuinely interested in. When you care about what you're saying, your brain is more engaged and you learn much faster. So, here's the challenge. Start today. Just 10 minutes. You have nothing to lose and a world of confidence to gain. If you commit to this simple routine, I promise you'll notice a difference in just a few weeks. In a few months, you'll be amazed at how much more fluently and confidently you can speak. It's not about finding more time. It's about making your time more effective. That's it for today. I hope this 10-minute routine helps you unlock your English speaking potential. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more tips to help you on your language journey. See you next time.